First of all, just slide the inner out of the lighter like so. Now we unscrew the bottom of the flint tube and remove the felt pad. Use a pair of tweezers to take out the packing and the old wick. Take the new wick and pull it through the hole until it's level with the top of the chimney. Start putting the packing back in, making sure the wick is woven throughout it. Now, put the felt pad back in place. Take your flint, drop it down the tube, put the spring and screw back in place, and screw it on. This can be a wee bit tricky at times. Fill your lighter with petrol and put the case back on.